Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You may have noticed I had an issue last weekend and wiped out a Maverick R. And of course, it's Easter weekend this weekend, and I gotta have a machine, so Kyle is tearing it up on getting a Maverick R ready for me for the weekend. This is going to be a duplicate of the last one. The Maverick R, such an incredible machine. We were running hard last weekend out at the dunes before we had the little send it a little too hard incident. But all the exhaust, the intake, charge tube, blow-off valves, all the good stuff is happening on this one, of course. We've got the twin on steroids over here that's going to be out at Little Sahara as well. Now, this has got all the Evo stuff on it, including the big turbo. So, we're going to see how the big turbo does against mine that does not have the big turbo, but all the rest of the same Evo stuff. For the weekend, I'll be running 110 octane. The customer will be running E85 with the big turbo. That is if it gets done in time. So, still lots of work to do, as you can see, but we got the best techs in the state. These guys tear it up. They know how to get things done. They know how to make things factory looking. It's going to be a good weekend. Have a good day, everybody. More info to come.